What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and the company I will be working with today is Hermosa Hair. Jumping right in, I'm showing you all the goodies they gave me. I got some cute little mink lashes, a wig cap, and this cute little silk or satin headscarf, or edge wrap, whichever one you want to call it. This is their wig. This is their 13 by 4 HD lace. This is their deep wave. It did come in 28 inches and 220 density. Jumping right in, those of you who've been following me, you already know. I want to show you guys what the lace is looking like up close and personal. Once I like the placement of everything, I'm going to go in with my cuticle scissors and my eyebrow razor and cut off the excess lace. I like to start in the middle and then work my way from ear to ear, starting either going on the left side or the right side. Once you get all the excess lace cut off, make sure you like the placement of everything. Go in and cut any extra lace off if you need to with your scissors. And then we're going to go in with a pressed powder to blend out this lace. I hate using lace tints. Makeup is my best friend. So after I get everything cut out and to my liking, you want to just look at the placement of the lace. Like I said, make sure you like everything. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer and I'm just going to pop that into my lace. The reason I'm using a bronzer is because I have on a full face of makeup, and the whole perimeter of my face where I contoured is the bronzer color. So you want your lace to match where your skin is going to be, so I'm just blending that in like so. Take your time. If you need to add some more powder, you can. With this being makeup, it'll easily rinse out with shampoo or conditioner when it's time to wash that bad thing, okay? But as you can see, it's definitely already giving scalp, and all we did was go ahead and add makeup, not even adhere down. Now I'm going to go in with my Ebin lace spray, and I'm going to do 2 to 3 layers. I don't do bald caps because I have a short platinum pixie right now, so really a bald cap is not needed. I just gel my edges back with some Eco Style off camera, and then put my Ebin spray on top like so. I will be using my Songbird blow dryer in between until it's nice and tacky. Once everything is tacky, I'm going to lay everything into place using my rat tail comb and my fingers. You can go in between either or. Like I said, I use my rat tail comb on my fingers. Just make sure you're not pressing down too hard because you don't want the lace spray to adhere onto the hair, because it can get icky and sticky and you don't want that. So once that's done, on the bottom, I just add a little bit on top just to melt the lace in completely how I need it to. And once that is done, we are going to hit it with a hot comb and get ready to finish styling. Next, I'm going to pull out my baby hair. I'm not going to do nothing crazy. I just wanted some little simple baby hairs by my temple area. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out with my rat tail comb. I'm going to do that on one side and pull out my sideburns, and then repeat the process on the other side until you get equivalent of two edges by my temple and then my two sideburns. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body mousse spray, and we are going to lay these down with an elastic band and let that lace melt. While that is melting, we're going to define this curl pattern with some water and keep it moving. Before I go in with my Lotta Body, I'm going to run my hot comb over my baby hairs and on the perimeter of my lace. You just want to make sure everything is nice and flat, looking realistic and scalp-like. I don't know how many times I gotta repeat myself when I say that. You don't want a helmet on your head. You don't want a wig. Hot comb, your best friend. Okay, use her till you can't use her no more, cause she gonna lay that shit down. She gonna keep it flat how you want it. Okay. So once I get through hot combing, like I said, I'm going to trim these hairs with my cuticle scissors at an angle, and then I'm going to take my Lotta Body mousse and I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and lay down my baby hairs. Once everything is nice and molded, I'm going to tie everything down with my elastic band. Then we're going to get into defining the curl pattern with a paddle brush and just a spray bottle. And once that's done, I'm going to show you guys how I do my little two braids or two strand twist thingies up front. I don't really know what to call them, but after that, that'll be the completed look. But yeah, y'all get into it. You see, we already getting there, and it's already looking like my hair and we ain't even done yet, so stop playing. Once everything is nice, all hot combed, flat, neat, I'm going to pull out a small little section in the front and I'm going to start doing my two strand twist. I try my best to get this in angle and in the camera, y'all, but I was struggling. I was trying to do two, like a halo French, not French braid, but a halo braid with two braids going on the side, but for some reason, like, this hair was really really thick, and with me having nails, it was like a fight. I had to scuffle with this hair to braid. So I just did the two strand twist to keep it nice and simple, real cute. We ain't want too much. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side like you guys see. I did speed this up, but I'm just taking one section and literally overlapping the other like a regular two strand twist, and I'm just holding it down. Once I get both sides nice and flat, I'm going to rubber band those together to the back, and then we're going to get into defining the curl pattern. Do my baby hair, I'm going to take my Kaposi mini straightener, and I got this off of Amazon, and we're just going to pre-curl these baby hairs right on up just so we can save some time. This is a lifesaver. Once you pre-curl your baby hairs upwards, I like to go in with some eco style gel, and I'm just going to lay those down like so. Baby hairs take some time. Don't rush on that. As you guys are going to see later on, or in a couple seconds later, you guys are going to see these baby hairs took me a little minute, but we made it do what it do. Pre-curl everything upwards, and once you get that done, like I said, I'd go in with an edge control brush and some eco style gel. And I just use the regular green Eco Style gel. It doesn't really matter what kind or what formula you use. And I'm going to swoop away. Swoop till you can't swoop no more. You feel me? But not for real. Just swoop them till you like the placement of your baby hairs. They baby hairs. Okay? Do them like how you like them. The way I leave it, that's the way I like it. All right? So now I'm going to do my temple areas and wrap this up. Once that's done, we are going to finally define the curl pattern, and that will be the finished look. Last, I'm going to take my Clear Raw Root Touch Up and I'm going to pop that into my part just to define it. This is also a game changer, as you guys can see. Go in and define the part, make it look all nice and neat. Now, once that's done, I'm gonna go in with my water bottle, and I sped this up for the sake of the video. It ain't nothing but me literally just drenching the hair, wet it, and brush it out to define the curl pattern. I do suggest starting at the bottom and then working your way up to the top when you are defining the curls. But other than that, everything else should be easy to handle, not too much. Once that's done, this will be the completed look. Alright, so this is what the curls are looking like. I just wanted to show you guys in slow motion that the hair is very full, very thick, true to length, and the curls are amazing. I didn't put any mousse or anything in this hair. All I did was use a water bottle and a paddle brush to define the curls, and it's definitely giving. Look at all that body. Okay, cute, 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 cute. And if you guys already don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with wet hair, but I was feeling this deep wave, okay? Definitely summer must have. And I love it. Like, get into it, get into it. Again, you guys, this is Hermosa hair. This is their HD lace. This is their deep wave unit. It is 13 by 4 HD lace, and it did come in 28 inches and 220 density. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the the comment box below. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Is it giving scalper? Is it not? Because I definitely think it is. Okay? And then these little braids, these little cute braid style, this is so cute for summer. Like, this is going to be definitely my go-to. I cannot get enough of myself. Okay? I'm super obsessed. If you guys like this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that bell so you get a post notification for next time I drop. I drop every week, okay? I'm trying to get on my schedule with my videos and my beauty content. So, if you guys like this, please let me know. Stay tuned. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.